Hey everybody, hope you had a good weekend. I've got a couple of videos for you today. I went to the store last week. We got a few things in that I had given you pictures or shown you a little bit of a sneak peek on with my Astra preview. The first thing I've got for you is the Mad Mattr brick maker. This is the little mini episode I promised you when I did the initial Mad Mattr video. And then the second one is going to be the cell phone microscope. So I'm going to do the Mad Mattr brick maker right now, and we'll do the cell phone microscope in the feed in just a moment. So this thing is super simple to use. Let's take a look. So in your bag you get your little bit of Mad Mattr. Now this isn't a lot of Mad Mattr, so I recommend if you are buying Mad Mattr for the first time, as I said in the first video, to go ahead and get one of the 10-ounce packages that's going to give you a lot more to play with. This is just kind of a demonstration set that comes with the cool tool. So you smush it out a little bit, you flatten it down, and as soon as it's flat, you got this nice flat surface here. You take your brick maker. This little leveler thing keeps the Mad Mattr at a consistent width, so you can get that nice Lego brick feel there. Then you press this down, make sure that this is pulled up a little ways so that you're not compressing the Mad Mattr too much to begin with. And then you put it on the little brick base, and this little brick base is going to put the holes on the bottom of the blocks so that you get a nice, push it down, nice little Lego brick, just like that. And we're going to go ahead and make another one so I can show you how to stack it. So this is already pretty much flattened out. Press it down, put it on the brick maker, and pop it out. And then these things can go ahead and stack together really nicely like that. You can take them apart actually and put them back together again, and you can build houses, buildings, whatever you want out of this.